So, guys, guess what tomorrow is? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. So, I'm heading to New York with one of my besties, celebrating another year of being fabulous. So, I'm just waiting for her to get here. I'm at her house. Got a rental because we're driving up. Because driving ended up being cheaper than flying after you add in like the tax and all that extra stuff, all the fees and whatnot. It ended up being cheaper. So renting the car, splitting it in half, and then also getting gas, still cheaper than flying up there. I get these spurts and when I'm tired and I'm like, okay, let me try to go to sleep. And then all of a sudden I get a burst of energy, like I'm yawning, but I can't like physically go to sleep. I don't know, maybe I'm excited because I get to go to New York. I haven't been to New York in a very long time. I don't know if you can actually see this very well, but I got my eyelashes professionally done. But the weirdest thing was happening while I was sitting here. So I'm sitting here, I was talking to my friend and stuff. She was calling me to see how I was doing. Then all of a sudden, I'm just sitting here relaxing. I realized this lamp is on. By the way, the reason why I was weird is when I came in here, I had the hardest time trying to cut on this lamp. I kept pressing the button and it would not cut on. And then just randomly, I noticed the light is on. I'm like, when did this light cut on? Someone asked when she gets here if this light is on a timer or something, because she did connect it to like a smart app, because I don't even remember this light even coming on or realizing that this light came on. Like, what? The only light that I remember was the light in the dining room area, not this light over here. Creepy. But I had to repack. I changed my outfits. I have one luggage is my clothes, my shoes, my accessories and stuff. Then I had to bring my book bag for my hair products and my beauty products. I don't see how some people can just pack a little carry-on and just go. Like, I just don't understand it. How many pairs? I think I have like a total of 4 pairs of shoes, 2 heels, 2 flats, all my cute little bags. So I'm switching back and forth. Some jeans, some shorts, a skirt. I got 5 outfits. Most likely gonna only wear 4. Because I had to cancel on something because it just was not flowing. I might get my cardigan out the car because the temperature apparently is a little bit lower than usual. Like, it's going down, like at nighttime, down to like 70 degrees. So my birthday outfit at night is this off the shoulder top with some ripped up jeans, and it's flowy in the arms, but it's long sleeve because I'm gonna be cold. I am gonna be cold. I know I'm gonna be cold. When it's 7 degrees, I'm freezing. But I have the clothes I'm going to wear tonight. So I'm going to drive in that clothes because our Airbnb doesn't check. We can't check into our Airbnb until like 11ish. And most likely we'll get there before 11 something. And I just don't want to be looking all raggedy any old thing. So I want to make sure my day is fulfilled and do some stuff and look cute and take pictures and whatnot. Yes. Take this tissue. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow on my birthday. Woo. Connie's gonna take the subway for the first time. Shocked that she never took it.
Terrified is more like the word.
Yes. And I am walking in heels.
Look at these suckers.
I don't even know if you can see it, but whatever.
You
But
gotta
yes.
do a shoe cam moment. Right here. Like how Wendy Williams does.
I don't watch Wendy Williams. What does she do?
So she shows off her. Where's your shoes? Huh?
Further down, further down. Hopefully that showed. Yeah. So that's cute. You got big boobies, whatever. Oh, there was one in Atlanta, but I've been there many times, so I need to go back.
I'm smiling, bitch, because I always get my way.
This bag was so heavy it was pulling me down.
Go stash, go stash.
Hey! Profit 2019! We on this! We swaggin'! We surfing! We swaggin'! We surfing! We swaggin'! Oh! Hey! Run out! Okay. So Curl Fest hooked us up with all these lovely goodies. Gave us a little $20 gift card, nails, eyelashes, cocoa butter. Black Radiance gave us free full-size lipsticks. Eden's, ooh, their stuff is good. I've tried their stuff. Urban Hydration, other samples, Dove, Body Wash and Mousse, Shea Moisture. This swag bag is moist. Enjoying my last night in Harlem. A very quick birthday weekend, but I am definitely enjoying myself. I am not doing a very good job recording, but it's something. Goodbye Harlem, goodbye United Fried Chicken. USC. Goodbye, City Life. We'll be back. Did that sound like Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Shit.
Did that sound like Arnold Schwarzenegger?
You could have went a little deeper.
I'll be back.
Head south